everybody, my name is Nayantara and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 skincare tips everybody should know about. So let's get on to the video. So the first and honestly, according to me, the most important tip is that prevention is better than cure, and it is so easy and cheap to prevent the damage than treat existing damage. All you need to do is use a sunscreen. Yes, it is that simple. I've said this before and I'm saying it again. Sunscreen is so essential in your skincare routine. If you feel like you're too intimidated by skincare and people's skincare routine where they do 10 things, you don't need that. All you need to do is wash your face, moisturize your face and use sunscreen. That is it. So it is essential that you start using a sunscreen right now and as soon as possible, because if you just delay it or you don't use sunscreen, then it will lead to premature skin aging and it will be much harder and much more expensive to deal with that later on than to invest in a good sunscreen right now. And the second tip is also sunscreen related. I do suggest that you should invest in a good sunscreen. But most important, what works for sunscreen is it's not the kind of money you invest, it's how much you use it. So make sure you use a decent amount every day. You should use at least 1 tablespoon of sunscreen every day. There are plenty of options in the market. Don't let a price point disappoint you. I'm sure if you do a little bit of research, there will be a number of options sunscreen in every budget. The third tip is for everybody who's suffering from acne. I know acne is such a common problem and something I suffered with myself. It can be really frustrating and painful even sometimes. So my advice for anybody who's suffering from acne is that wash your face twice a day. 2 times is more than enough. You do not need to wash your face multiple times a day. However, if you play sports or if you naturally sweat a lot, then you can wash your face a 3rd time, but don't over wash your face. The second advice I would like to give you is that use a salicylic face wash. Salicylic face wash Salicylic face wash helps in unclogging your pores and also gives you a gentle exfoliation, which is very helpful when it comes to acne prone skin. However, if you are on acne medications and if you're using ointments like benzoyl peroxide, then I would suggest not to use salicylic face wash as it can reduce the moisture barrier of your skin. In that case, I would recommend use a mild cleansing lotion with no soap. And if you're struggling from acne for a long time, if you're not seeing a lot of results after using a lot of products, I highly recommend that you should go to a dermatologist, because acne can actually cause a lot of problem. It can be painful and frustrating and over the top. It can leave a lot of deep scars. It will take you longer to fix those scars if you don't treat them right away and by a right prescription. So make sure you go to a professional who knows how to deal with it and who deal with these cases on a regular basis. I went through the same thing. I tried all the home remedies and all the products and ended up making my skin much worse. When I went to my dermatologist, she really put me in the right path. It really did benefit from going to a dermatologist. Moving on to the 4th tip. I know a lot of times we get excited with new products and we order in like a bunch of different things and start using it, and it can actually cause more harm than good. So when you're starting to see that your skin is just getting more worked up because of these ingredients, take a step back. You don't need to put so much active ingredients on your skin every day and every night. Sometimes it's really true that less is more. Skin fasting is very, very common these days, and you go to your basics like face wash, moisturizer and sunscreen. That is it, and give yourself and your skin a break where it can breathe and heal itself. The 5th and the final tip is for everybody who loves to wear makeup. I know I love to wear makeup. I tried something new with my look. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not that good at makeup. If you really are invested in makeup, make sure that you take care of your skin. because if you don't take care of your skin properly, your makeup will not look as good. Make sure you do not go to bed with your makeup on. That is the number one thing I've seen very common, that people go to bed with their makeup on, and that just really destroys your skin because there's just so much chemical and pollution that is on your skin that you should make sure when you're going to bed you wash your face and at least put a moisturizer on. So I suggest put effort in your skin first and then makeup will come later on, because you need a good foundation and a good base for your makeup. So that is it guys, those are my 5 basic tips everybody should follow. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the love on my last video. If you haven't seen it, I will leave a link in the description and somewhere on the top so you guys can check it out if you haven't. And that is it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.